Hi, my name is Amjad Farhan. I'm the manager of mobile software applications at SkyWave, and in this video, I will demonstrate a number of features offered by the Garmin Dispatch Agent service provided by SkyWave to communicate with a Garmin device connected to an IDP terminal. For questions on this video or on Garmin Dispatch, please contact our customer support at support@skywave.com. For our demonstration, we will be using a Garmin P&D connected to an IDP desktop terminal. And as our back office application, we will be using Messenger from the IDP Developer Toolkit. Messenger is to the left of your screen, and the Garmin screen is shown on your right. In this demo, I will define a new stop on a Garmin device connected to an IDP terminal by sending an over-the-air message using a simulated gateway tool and a back-end application like SkyWave's Messenger tool. Once that new stop appears on the Garmin screen, I will ask Garmin to navigate me to that stop. I will then request the estimated time of arrival for that stop over the air and notice the corresponding message. So let's start by defining a new stop and send it to a Garmin device. So we'll do that over the air. We'll send a to-mobile message to our terminal. So we'll select the terminal ID and then the service, which is Garmin Dispatch, and then the to-mobile message, send new stop. Now we need to provide for that stop, we need to provide the latitude, the stop latitude and longitude. The units are actually in milliminutes in this case, for latitude and longitude. And then we can supply a text message to that stop that the driver would see when he receives that stop notification on the Garmin device. Now we have a number of other optional fields that we can select here. So for example, I can specify what stop ID I want to have, so 0 for example, and then I can specify I want the notifications every time the status of that stop changes. I need to receive an over-the-air message notifying me of that change. Then we'll send the stop to Garmin, confirm that this to-mobile message has been acknowledged. Now once IDP receives this stop, there's a notification in the top right corner of this Garmin screen. So if I tap on that, I will see that stop listed. And also IDP will send a from mobile message with the status of that stop, which is currently unread. So if I tap on that stop to read it, I will receive another stop status message from the Garmin Dispatch IDP service, and the status now is read. Now if I accept this stop and ask Garmin to navigate me to that stop, notice now that I received another stop status message with an active state, and then also I received another message called stop ETA, because now the estimated time of arrival for that new stop that has become active is now reported. Now as Garmin is navigating the driver to that stop, I can request the estimated time of arrival on demand. So by sending the get stop ETA message. So sending that message and wait for it to be acknowledged, I should receive a response back that contains the estimated time of arrival, which is in seconds. Now once I arrive at my stop, Garmin would notify me to whether I want to mark this as done or not. So I'd say yes, and then I should receive a new from mobile stop status message from IDP, and the stop status code in that message is done. In this video, I demonstrated how Garmin Dispatch Agent installed on an IDP terminal could be used to dispatch stops and get their statuses and ETA over the air using a connected Garmin device to IDP terminal. I hope you found it useful. I encourage you now to check out our other Garmin Dispatch videos for more features. And thanks for watching.